Have you ever been in a pinch, desperately needing some extra cash, only to find your SpotMe feature on Chime mysteriously unavailable? Yeah, we've all been there. It's frustrating, right? So, what's the deal? Why isn't SpotMe working on Chime? Let's dive in. First off, it's essential to understand how SpotMe actually works. It's essentially a small, interest-free loan from Chime to cover unexpected expenses. But there's a catch, it's not unlimited. Chime has set parameters to ensure financial stability for both you and the platform. So, why the sudden unavailability? Reason 1, insufficient funds. This might seem obvious, but it's the most common culprit. To use SpotMe, you generally need a qualifying direct deposit of at least $200. If you haven't met this requirement, SpotMe will be unavailable. Reason 2, overdraft fees. If you've recently incurred overdraft fees, Chime might temporarily disable SpotMe as a precautionary measure. Think of it as a financial timeout. They want to make sure you're in a stable financial position before offering additional credit. Reason 3, account age. New Chime members might find SpotMe unavailable initially. It's like building trust. Chime wants to ensure you're a reliable customer before extending the SpotMe feature. Reason 4, account activity. Your account activity plays a role. Consistent deposits and minimal overdrafts can boost your chances of having SpotMe available. In contrast, frequent overdrafts or low account balances might restrict access. Reason 5, system glitches. Let's face it, technology isn't perfect. Sometimes, there are temporary glitches that can affect SpotMe. If you suspect this is the case, check Chime's social media or support channels for updates. Reason 6, SpotMe limits. Remember, SpotMe isn't a bottomless pit. It has limits. If you've maxed out your SpotMe for the month, it won't be available until the cycle resets. Now, let's talk about preventing SpotMe issues. Direct deposits. Ensure regular direct deposits to meet the $200 requirement. Overdraft fees. Avoid overdrafts whenever possible. Account activity. Maintain a healthy account balance and avoid excessive withdrawals. Stay updated. Keep an eye on Chime's updates and announcements. If you're still facing issues after addressing these points, it's time to contact Chime's customer support. They can provide specific information about your account and offer potential solutions. While SpotMe is a handy feature, it's crucial to use it responsibly. Over-reliance on it can lead to a cycle of debt. It's always a good idea to build an emergency fund to avoid unexpected financial crunches. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.